WCCB News at 10 with Morgan Fogarty, Kirk Hawkins, and Christine Noel starts now.
A new push to embarrass other states into toughening up their child abuse penalties.
The push from a North Carolina lawmaker just days after North Carolina toughened up its own penalties. Kilah Davenport is 4 years old and relearning how to hold her head up. Police say her stepfather, Joshua Hauser, beat her so badly he nearly killed her. He's been in the Union County Jail for 2 years awaiting trial. If Hauser is found guilty, he could spend 6 more years behind bars. Hauser is grandfathered into North Carolina's old felony child abuse sentence, 4 to 8 years. This week, it changed. Now, convicted child abusers could spend 25 years to life behind bars, and there's a push to get other states to toughen up their laws, too. Congressman Robert Pittenger has introduced an updated Kilah Davenport Child Protection Act for federal consideration. The bill calls on the Attorney General to issue a report in 6 months that details, state by state, penalties for child abuse. Pittenger says in part, this legislation will motivate states to address inadequate child abuse laws.
Yeah, it will embarrass them into having to, reevaluate what their laws are. And hopefully they'll want to change that if they have any heart.
Leslie Davenport is Kilah's grandmother. When the little girl was severely injured,
I was ashamed at how lenient the laws were.
She calls Pittenger's updated Child Protection Act awesome and looks forward to forcing other states to better protect their children.
It doesn't matter your social status, your economic status, your religion, your sex, your race. It doesn't matter if you're rich, poor. None of that matters. Child abuse can happen to anybody.
A vote on the federal Kilah Davenport Protection Act will be scheduled this week. It's expected to happen before Christmas or